Shining, shimmering, Downy princess, now when did you last break your heart to me? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, on a new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're wrong, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. Ikay talaga yan. Sinanto ka dito ka. Problema. Alam mo, press ko na.
Press ka na.
Unbelievable time. It's nothing like feeling. Soaring coming through the endless diamond sky. A whole new world. 100,000 things to me. I'm like a shooting star. I go too far. I can't go back anywhere. A whole new world. With new horizons to pursue. I'll take them anywhere. There's nothing there. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world. Very pretty girl. A new fantasy point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're wrong. A whole new world. With new horizons to pursue. Napalagay na siya, okay.
Okay na siya. Okay ba sa ating Ellen dito bahay? Okay naman sumama siya sa bahay namin niya kaya. Okay na. Pero
Okay na.
pa, nahiya siya. Silip.
Di ba kanina? Ganun siya kapag una wala na lang.
Pero sabi ko, okay naman siya. Dahil na naman namin sa babysitter.
Pinagtitripan niya ko yun.
You want my hair?
Want my hair daw, kuya naman eh. Dinided mo naman ni
You
kuya
want to,
eh.
we're gonna record your.
She looks so pretty.
Yeah, see? Which one you want to record?
Oh.
I'm going to record it.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, you can record
Going to
your
record
voice.
it.
Hello, Philippines.
Because Tito Arnold used to do that when I'm singing. He recorded it.
This one.
You like it?
Yeah.
And he records it, sweetie. Not me. Tito.
Try.
Oops.
It's recording.
Be careful.
Baby,
You might fall.
Sorry. I don't know.
Ako naman.
Careful.
Sabi niya kay kuya niya, you like my hair?
Yeah.
Nagkuha mo yan doon?
Sabi ko.
Ako nga ako eh.
Recording
Tingnan mo naman, okay.
Record na siya.
Look, honey, look. Kikay talaga eh. Tingnan mo. Oh, what a phone. Well, grabe. Late pa siya.
Record na eh.
Shining, shimmering, splendid, telling princess, now when did that
Saka sumago ng attention eh.
Tingnan mo yung po niya. Liit pa siya. Damn, nakupo. Pa-blanket kay tito niya.
Kala na wala na yung hairstyle.
Carpet ride. like a Koreana? I
Pero si Kari, ano?
Iba na?
Hindi siya Koreano. Ibanan namin yung titignan na.
Look at his face.
Then later on, we're gonna hear your voice and then check whenever you have mistakes.
Yun yung mga bulok na words sa Manila Bay, no?
Ano pa nga ba? Bakit ginagala?
Yung mga kalawag na ano.
Conscious sa buko niya eh. Kahit mo, nahawakan niya kung nandiyan.
Let's repeat the record. The record.
Let's listen, honey.
Yeah. I don't know.